Welcome to the next episode of Decor Beats podcast series. I am Megha, founder of Decor Beats. So, for the people who doesn't know about Decor Beat, we are a growing e-commerce startup, and we make beautiful handmade products, home decor products. And continuing with the podcast series, we have Monica with us. Hi, Monica.
Hi.
So Monica had been an assistant professor before, and now she is involved in the family business. She is also a new mother. She has a lovely, beautiful girl. I will give her a chance to introduce herself. Over to you, Monica.
Hi, I'm Monica. I had been an assistant professor. Post marriage, I've joined my husband's business of a logistics service company. So now I'm taking care of the accounts department. I recently had a beautiful baby girl, and life has been an adventure ever since she joined our lives. So I came across Decor Beats' new venture, and I wanted to be a part of it.
Thank you, Monica. And so, how I know Monica, we both got married in Ayodhya,
Yes.
and like Sita Ma, we both are bahus of Ayodhya.
Yes, exactly. We
So
are blessed to be a part, blessed to be living in Ayodhya.
yes. So uh, she has decorated her home really well, and we will share the journey of her home decoration. So Vedika, I will introduce to Vedika. Vedika is our marketing strategy head, and she will lead this podcast. Over to you, Vedika.
Hi, I'm Viveka. Welcome to the Decor Beats podcast. As you know, we're a growing e-commerce startup who specialize in home decor products. We have many collections available on our website. The most popular of which is the indoor bagicha section, which we showcase our designer planters in. All our planters are made in-house and they're designed by our founder and CEO, Mega Ma'am. We love hearing from our customers and listening to their feedback. That's the reason we started this podcast to hear about everyone's opinion. And we would love to hear about your home decor journey as well. Hi, Monica.
Hi, so I started redecorating
Yeah.
every nook and corner, especially after lockdown, since we all were locked inside our homes. So I wanted to make it so beautiful that we do not
Yes.
miss stepping out or find it depressing. So I started decorating my bathroom initially. So it was all white. I added all hints of green and beautiful colors and a note for myself that you're beautiful, so that I get reminded every day and do not need validation from anyone else. So that's the most important part. And then as you can see the picture, as soon as you enter the home, there are
Yes.
two musicians sitting, and the wall is beautifully painted with golden block prints. So that gives a very beautiful and welcoming wall. And then we have the absolute favorite is my walk-in closet. That's the recent addition to our house. So ever since I was a kid and I learned the concept of walk-in closet, I wanted one for myself, and I had been lucky enough to have such loving in-laws who made my dream come true. So that's the favorite part of the home. And I love adding hints of green here and there, and that's why I
Okay.
absolutely love the planters that you guys have offered. Very beautiful, and as I've already shared the picture of a wall with red and golden
Yes.
background. That's our favorite photo corner. It's so bright and full of light, so it makes all the pictures come very beautiful.
Can I ask you, other than your walk-in closet, which would be your favorite room in your house?
My own room.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about it?
So I've added candles on our side tables, and
Okay.
some plants, artificial plants, and a photo frame of our pre-wedding shoot to remember those
Okay.
days. Even the color, the mix of gray and purple is my favorite.
Okay. Wow. You said you were an accountant for your family business. How do you have the time to manage that and decorate your home as well?
So basically, my office is at home,
Oh, okay.
and secondly, nowadays everything is available with
Yeah.
just a few clicks, and it's delivered to your doorstep. So it's not that difficult anymore. The time and energy that you spend on redecorating your house is very less with the variety of goods offered online. So it
Oh,
depends on how much you are ready to shell out.
okay. What would you tell our listeners who are just starting out their home decoration journey? Like one tip that you could give them?
One thing that I would absolutely recommend is adding pictures, your own pictures.
Yes.
So it adds a life to the wall. So you can relish your memories as well. So it's a beautiful way of decorating. So our house is full of pictures.
Okay. That's really nice. What would you like to try out our planters? Would you be open to trying them and
Yeah, of
placing
course. As
them?
I have already
Yeah.
mentioned, I'm a huge fan of adding some hints of green here and there. So
Yes.
yeah, absolutely yes.
What do you think of the designs? Have you seen them?
Yes, I absolutely love everything. I love the fact that how a variety of collection at such affordable prices are offered to the customers. So it's a huge yes from my end.
That's great. If I could ask you, if I could give you a blank wall and say you can decorate it however you like, what would be the first step that you would take, or the first thing that you would do?
Maybe add a wallpaper. I am
Okay.
a huge fan of wallpaper.
Okay. Any particular color, or just depends on the mood?
Mood basically the wall is of living room or your bedroom. So that depends.
Okay. What would you describe your home decoration style as? Would you say it's more minimalistic or color centric or
Color centric,
varies?
of course.
Okay.
So we have our drawing room, which is basically we have everything of orange and or color orange color, and then we have
Okay.
for our room we have everything in purple and white and gray. So we basically follow a color theme and decorate the room accordingly. Even the
Okay.
bed sheets are of the same color.
Okay, so everything follows one single theme in each
Yes,
bedroom or each room of your house?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
I have a question here. So, what you have followed, like same color theme for all the rooms, or you have followed, different color themes for different?
Different color themes for every room. So each room has a different color theme. So whenever you visit a room, you'll feel you're in a different area altogether. So for my room, it's purple. For my mother-in-law's room, it's basically yellow and brown. For my sister-in-law's, she has pink and purple. For drawing room, it's orange. For our living area, we have a golden theme. So it's different for different area.
So, what kind of artifacts you have used for your home, like Indian or Western? What kind of artifacts you like?
Indian, of course. My mother-in-law is a huge fan of Rajasthani theme since we are basically from Rajasthan. So even the barat on the musical instruments, a beautiful piece. She bought it and we absolutely love it. And then we also have the three musicians. We have many Rajasthani decor items. I'll share more pictures with you. There's a beautiful elephant with golden paint on it. She bought it from a trade exhibition, I guess, from Delhi. So she's also a holder of beautiful artifacts and she collects it wherever she visits.
Wow, wow.
What
So,
would you what would you say is your favorite piece? Like if you could pick just one in your home.
I think the Bharat one. I absolutely love it.
even I am impressed by listening to the all Indian like kind of products you have used.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very nice. Like today, like people want to give a modern look to their home, but you have given that traditional look to your house. That's very nice to hear.
And yet it's very modern. So we are sticking to our culture as well as modern minimalistic approach as well.
Yes.
So these artifacts are handmade, which you are using right now.
Yes, handmade and painted. So all the artifacts are handmade.
Oh, that's very nice. I can see
Ha-
in your back a beautiful purple wall. So it's is it a wallpaper or it's some textured wall?
No, it's a textured wall paint. So this is basically my room with,
Okay.
I told you, a hint of purple and gray.
How do you manage to balance the minimalistic modern with the traditional?
I think a lot of credit goes to my mother-in-law.
Okay.
She loves decorating the house, and she has a very good eye when it comes to buying the right kind of thing. She would just
Okay.
look at a wall and imagine, "Oh, I need this for this wall, this kind of art for this wall," and she would exactly find that thing. I do not know how she manages to do that.
So what is your taste like? What kind of artifact, if you go out, what kind of artifact do you choose?
I have a mix of everything. Maybe sometimes I choose traditional stuff. Sometimes I like maybe a dream catcher. So it's in the center of our room, and I love it. So I'll share the picture as well.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we will love to see picture of your
Yeah.
living and other decoration stuff. So, any
Yeah.
tips for our listeners you want to give for decorating their home?
I think decorating home is very objective. It depends upon the kind of person you are. Some people like keeping it minimal and using less colors. Some people like it bright and loud. So it depends upon them. But just follow your own style, be it Scandinavian pattern or be it as desi as you can be. So just follow your own style.
Yeah, it's very true. Like you
Yes.
any pattern, anything, Indian, Western, anything you follow, but it should look good in the end.
Because you have to live in your house, it should look good to you. It doesn't matter how other people see it.
Yes. So I have heard that you keep your house very neat and clean and very organized also. So you want to share any tip on that?
Yes. I have a hell lot of organizers for every nook and corner, be it my wardrobe, be it my kitchen. Everywhere you'll find organizers. So using them will keep the house clean. That's what I believe in.
So you suggest our audience, to get more and more organizers, so it will help you to look the.
Yes. Yes. So when you know exactly where your stuff is and you do not have to look for it, so the house will be less messy.
I would just like to know how did you love to decorate your like new daughter's room? What all did you do there?
We haven't done much yet,
Okay.
given given people are not allowed in, carpenters or renovators for COVID situation. So you're trying to add few customized pieces. We have given her a nickname Kiwi. So we have
Okay.
added a beautiful hanging wall piece with her name and kiwi fruit in it. So that's a beautiful
Okay.
thing that we have added for her.
Wow, wonderful idea! Like she can connect with her name, and
Yeah.
that's very good.
No, I would just like to summarize our whole conversation. We spoke about your like your home decor style and how you have different color themes for every room, and you love a pop of green, so you love having plants everywhere. Also, we spoke about how you mix the minimalistic modern with the traditional so effortlessly. And also, we spoke about your daughter's beautiful wall mural with her name and kiwi fruit. Thank you so much for your time, and we loved having you. And our listeners would love listening to your home decor journey.
Thank you so much for having me. I really enjoyed this conversation.